Hello everybody and welcome back to another Abigail Page Designs YouTube video. Today we have some very exciting content. If you like organizing and you like watching organizing videos and you like laundry and you like folding like myself, then you will find this video very satisfying. So basically, my youngest brother I love him dearly, but he struggles to really visualize like keeping a space organized. So I was talking to him the other day and I asked him if he would want me to help him. You want some help cleaning your room? And of course, as the youngest always does, he was like, well, yeah, I want help cleaning my room. So we're gonna take this in bite-sized pieces, but I thought I would kickstart this kind of mini series off with doing his dresser drawers because those were overflowing into his room. I mean, some of the drawers wouldn't even shut. He had stuff piled on top of his dresser, similar to my sister, actually. Those two are very similar in a lot of ways. So I tackled the dresser, and I must say it was a very satisfying experience because it was so rewarding to see it done in the end. It wasn't one of those organization projects where you can't really see the difference, but you could see the difference. I mean, just the whole room looked so much better instantly. Granted, there's still a lot of organizing to do in his room. He's got shelves and his closet, under his bed. He's got tons and tons of organization. I mean, I could just organize my heart away. So, unfortunately, I couldn't fit that all into one video, but I figured we would start with the drawers today. So, without any further waiting, I hope you guys enjoy. Oh my, where to begin with such a project? Starting with the top drawers made the most sense to me, so I began by pulling out what I believe he had made his sock/underwear drawer, and he had two of them. So I was like, dude, I think it would make more sense to keep your underwear in one and then your socks in the other instead of having them both spread out between two drawers. So I just emptied them out completely. I didn't leave any sock, underwear, hat, miscellaneous item I found. I took it all out. Now, I didn't want to put everything back just yet because I really wanted to go through all of the items first. For this project, I didn't really, I'd say, declutter because I didn't get rid of anything. I just kind of maximized his amount of space by folding everything in its smallest potential form. So that is the reason I was going through everything, because if there was any underwear that happened to become unfolded from its little underwear burrito, then I was going to refold it before putting it back. So, little fun fact, I am actually my family's main folder in the house. Nobody else folds laundry, and that is not because my family is mean, but because I absolutely love to fold clothes. I mean, it's kind of scary how much I love it. Nothing calms me down more than a fresh basket of unfolded clothes. Oh my gosh, I just turn on YouTube, watch a little video, fold some shirts, get rid of the wrinkles. Oh my gosh, my favorite pastime. If you don't like folding laundry, then I feel sorry for you because you're not doing it right and you're totally missing out. So you're probably wondering, dude, how do you fold your underwear? That is so strange. Well, here you go. Here is the Abigail Page Designs underwear folding tutorial. Watch and learn, folks. Watch and learn. This may take you a couple tries to watch. Rewind if you need to. But trust me, this is the way to fold underwear. I will never fold underwear any other way, ever. It's a little tricky to explain how I fold the underwear, but basically you just roll it down, tuck the sides in, and then fold it in on itself, and you got yourself an underwear taco. You cannot undo these things. I mean, you can chuck it at a wall and it will stay together. So if you're traveling or you are trying to maximize your space, then this hack is the best. See, I told you, it made more sense to keep the socks in the other drawer. I mean, why keep socks and underwear in two separate drawers? I don't know. I have no words. I don't really do anything special for my socks. I just fold them in on themselves and yeah, put them in the drawer. Easy as that. He didn't really have enough to fill the entire drawer, but it still looked pretty full and pretty. And like all humans, my brother did have a junk drawer, and I was gonna help him reorganize it. It was time. It was looking a little sad. I will commend him. It was still closable, but it definitely was due for a run through to see if everything was needed, if there was any trash, and he was excited for the help with this because I think it was really stressing him out. And the drawer was a little dirty, so I just took my favorite cleaners, Basil Mrs. Mayer's Clean Day, and I gave it a squirt and a wipe, and yeah, no more crumbs for that junk drawer. Next, I went through the drawer's items and separated the trash from the go through pile. Now I know it may sound silly, but I actually double handle all drawers that I organize. I go through everything once to get rid of the trash, and then I go through again and get rid of all the unnecessary items. After I disposed of the obvious trash pieces, I went through everything again with my brother to get the yeah, keep it in the drawer, or the nah, let's put it somewhere else or throw it away. I wanted to keep this drawer organization thing free for my brother. I didn't want him to have to pay anything, obviously. So I actually loaned him one of my personal bins from my stash because I figured he could use it more than I needed it. And the bin came in super handy, actually, because I kept all his little toys and trinkets in there and then kept all of the more practical things to the side. So far, it's worked great. And haha, JK, I actually ended up swapping the toys and the practical items. Simply because he actually had more toys and there was more space out of the bin than in the bin. So I moved all his band-aids, his cords, everything into the bin and kept his toys off to the side. Oh yeah, shirt time. So, my brother's shirt drawer was so incredibly stuffed, he could not even shut it. Oh my gosh, it was so heavy, so full. I seriously think that he owns a shirt for every single day of the year. I think part of the reason he was actually struggling to shut the drawer was because he was keeping his long sleeves and his short sleeves in the same drawer, which if you are a organizer in any way, shape, or form, then you would know this is just a no-no. You need to keep your long sleeves separate from your t-shirts. Leave in the comments below. You think my brother's got enough shirts? And before I put anything back, it was obviously all unfolded, so I just went through and hand folded every single shirt. I'm just doing a simple file folding method. I'm pretty sure I have a blog post on it on my website. Make sure to go and check it out if you're curious. I will leave the link to the blog post in my description for you all. Okay, but is there anything more satisfying than folding? I seriously don't think so. So I started file folding my clothes about 2 years ago, and I have found it to be the best method for keeping my shirts and my pants tidy. So I figured, hey, if it works for me, then there's no reason it shouldn't work for him. I will say, after I did it, he was like, well, are you gonna start putting my clothes in the drawer after you fold them? I'm like, no, but I can show you how to do it. And he was like, oh, okay. One of the benefits, the many benefits to file folding your clothes is you can fit a lot more in the drawer than if you were to regularly fold them. So I definitely recommend this if you're tight on space. Now that was all of his long sleeves, which meant I still needed a drawer for his short sleeves, so I ended up using his old pant and short drawer instead. Now you won't be seeing what I do with the pants and shorts until part 2, so make sure that you stay tuned in to see what I do with them. And same method as before, we're just file folding. He didn't have as many short sleeves, but hey, that's alright. He's got extra room for, guess what? More shirts! guys so much for watching and coming along with me as I organized my brother's dresser drawers. I had so much fun doing this project, and I hope he loves it as much as I love it. Make sure that you stay tuned because there is lots more of organization content to come from his room. So if you really liked his dresser, then, well, why not his closet? Why not under his bed? Please leave a like if you liked coming along with me today and found this video satisfying. And let me know in the comments below, do you keep your dresser drawers organized?